In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Rockstar Games services are unavailable right now. So the first thing we're going to do is just head over to an internet browser and you need to type in Rockstar Games status and hit enter. Then you need to click on the support.rockstargames.com at the very top here. And what this is basically going to do is tell you if the servers are online. So if there's any planned maintenance or there's some sort of issue with the actual servers themselves, then it's basically going to display it on this official page here. You can see if everything's green, it means that it's operational. But if there's either a red or an orange next to any of these services, that will probably be the reason why you're unable to connect. And you'll just need to wait for Rockstar to update their servers before you'll be able to get back into your game. Now, if everything on this website is operational, then what you'll need to do is come over to your start menu and search for control panel and then click on the control panel window. In the top right hand side, make sure you have view by set to large icons and then select network and sharing center. Click on change adapter settings in the left hand side and then locate your Wi-Fi or internet connection. Then we're just going to right click on our internet and select properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4 and select properties. And we're going to change where it says obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses. Now in this window, you just need to type in 8888 and then in this second box, type in 8844 and press OK. And then you can close out of this window, head over to the start menu and search for CMD, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator. Then in this window here, just type in ipconfig/flush DNS and hit enter. And then you can try launching up Rockstar Games and checking if that solved your issue. Now, if it's still not working, there could be some sort of antivirus or firewall blocking your connection, in which case what you'll need to do is head over to your start menu and search for Windows Security and then click on this. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Underneath Virus and Threat Protection settings, click on Manage Settings, and then you're just going to turn off and disable real-time protection at the top. Just be careful turning off this feature. Make sure to only do it when you're playing Rockstar Games, and then make sure to turn it back on once you're finished playing your games. And then what you're going to do is click on Firewall and Network Protection in the left hand side, select Domain Network, and then you need to turn off the Microsoft Defender Firewall, and then we're going to go back to the previous window and we're going to do the same for Public Network as well, just by turning this off. And then lastly, we're going to do the same for the private network. And once you've turned all of these firewalls off, you can once again check to see if that's now solved your issue. If you're still getting the error message, the last solution is to use a VPN. Now there's a bunch of different free ones and paid ones that you can use. Maybe you already have an application on your computer, but by using and connecting to a VPN, that should bypass the connection issue. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.